In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change elements/objects in Midjourney. We'll walk through a quick practical example of swapping a single detail in an image using Midjourney's built-in editor. To begin, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and hit enter. Look for the official Midjourney website in the results and click through. This ensures you're using the correct, up-to-date tools right inside the web app. Once you're on the site, go to the Create area and choose the image you want to modify. You can pick something you've already generated or explore your gallery to find a good candidate. For this demo, imagine we're changing a scarf on a subject. With your image open, click Edit. This launches the editor and loads the masking tools you'll use to target only the parts of the image you want to change. Select the eraser or masking brush. Paint over the scarf to highlight it. The goal is to cover the entire scarf, including small folds and edges, while avoiding areas you don't want altered, like the face or jacket. Adjust your brush size for precision around the edges, and use a slightly softer brush if you want smoother transitions. A clean, confident mask usually leads to more accurate results. If you make a mistake, undo and repaint. Taking an extra moment here pays off later. Now it's time to tell Midjourney what to do with that selection. In the prompt box, you can start simple with Change the Scarf. For better control, add concise details such as color, material, pattern, or mood. For example, describing a soft wool scarf in deep red with subtle knit texture is more likely to give you exactly what you have in mind than a vague request. Keep it short but specific, and avoid adding unrelated concepts that might change other parts of the scene. When your mask looks good and your prompt feels clear, click Submit Edit. Midjourney will process the change and present a new version of your image with the updated scarf. Review the result closely. If it's not quite right, you can refine your mask. Maybe include a bit more of the edge or exclude parts that shift it, and tweak the prompt with a touch more detail. Submitting another edit is normal. Iterations are part of getting a polished outcome. And that's it. You searched for Midjourney, opened your image, masked the scarf, wrote a focused prompt, and submitted the edit. With a careful selection and a precise description, you can confidently change elements and objects in your images in just a few minutes.